Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes, guys. I don't know if you guys heard my other video because I'm doing multiple videos in one day. Anyway, um, guess what just came in? So super excited. So in this beauty right here is actually one of the items that I've been waiting on, and I'll show you guys the before and after once I open it, okay? So I just got this delivered as I was shooting another video, and I was like, oh my God, yes, it's here. Ah! Anyway, guys, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? We talk about everything that's bag related in this channel, from contemporary all the way to luxury, okay, guys? And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for the continuing support, and let's get into this video. Okay, guys, as I stated, this item literally just came. I was shooting a video and I heard the doorbell, and hopefully, maybe you guys might hear it on the video. I don't know, on that other video that I was shooting. But this item actually just came. I am super excited. Amy did let me know that it was here, and she actually decided, she asked me if I wanted it to get shipped. Sorry, guys, I'm looking for my box cutter, and sorry for the noise. So she did ask me if I wanted to get a ship or pick up, and I was like, please just ship it for me, please, because I don't feel like driving. And at this time right now, and also, guys, just while I'm opening this, sorry for the inconsistency that's been going on. I've been so busy because this time, if you guys are already been to my channel, I do have my own business. So this time is really a busy time for me, tax season, because I have a business that's kind of related to that. So I'm very busy at this time. So that's why my uploading video has kind of been inconsistent lately. But once it's over, I will get right back to it. You guys know I miss you guys. I miss doing my 3 days a week video upload. So once this season is over, I will be coming right back to it. Okay. Anyway, guys. So I don't want to bring this down because it does have my address. Let me see how I can open it without doing too much to the box, because on the other side it has my address, guys, and I'm not trying to get that to show on social media. Okay. Ooh, this box is very sturdy. Okay, guys, and this is the item that I actually want to get out. Oh, she wrapped it for me. Oh, I love Amy. Guys, so if you guys are new to my channel, Amy is my Louis Vuitton repair essay. And guys, I love that woman more than I love any essays. I'm trying to tell you guys, I love that woman more than I love any essays. Like, she is just freaking awesome. Okay, guys. All right, let's move this and let's get this one. Look, she wrapped it. Let's do an unboxing. Well, I should do an unboxing because this is like literally brand new. Should we do that? All right, come on. Okay. So she is amazing. Look, guys, she wrapped it so cute. I'm one of those. I just be ripping stuff. Sometimes I try to make it all neat and pretty. I'm like, okay, guys. So, guys, I did get. Let me move this stuff out the way. Okay. So, guys, I did get my favorite repaired. I think I said it in a video before that I was gonna get the favorite and the Louis Vuitton, the Speedy 20, the Speedy 30 that I've already unboxed. So this is the favorite in the size with the monogram. So I did purchase this from Bagriculture, and honestly, there was nothing wrong with it. But like I told you guys, I love to have my item. Oh my God, look at what she did. Okay, wait, let's open this. She is so cute. Oh my God, I love her. She is so amazing. So it does have my receipt for the repairs. And what did she put in here for me? Oh, She gave me a bunch of other fragrance sample. Oh my gosh, she is so stinking cute, guys. Like, I love Amy, guys. Like, I don't think you guys know how much I love her. Like, if she was an essay, I think she would make me go broke. If she was like a sales essay, I will actually literally go broke. So she gave me a whole set of perfume for me to try to see if I like anything, and she said if I did, let me get in contact with her. So oh my god, I love that woman. Oh, she better not leave LV anyway. So as you guys can see, this is my favorite I did get it completely done. Like, I changed everything about it. You see the plastic right here. So this is literally like brand new. And they even, so I got brand new straps too for it. So this is brand new. And even on the sides, brand new. On this side, brand new, as you guys can see right there. So all of those is actually literally brand new, guys. Like, even the magnet inside of it is brand new. And then look at the chain. The chain is also brand new. So I literally changed every single thing about the bag. The only thing I didn't change was the canvas, because the canvas was in such great condition, guys. I was like, oh, I don't need to change no canvas, but I do need to change everything else about the bag though. And as you guys can see, the inside and stuff like that. I didn't really care about changing the inside plate right here, because I'm like, ain't nobody gonna see that. I was like, nobody's gonna see that. And Amy did get it conditioned. She got it clean, conditioned, and everything for me. So as you guys can see, this is literally a brand new bag, guys. Look at how cute this is. Look at the chain. Like, I got the chain replaced. So everything about this bag is literally new except the canvas. Like, and I think I gotta take a look at the receipts, but as you guys can see right there, all of that is changed. Because one thing also, even though it really didn't have too much, and I could have used the bag for a while without even changing it, but one thing I love, I love this bag. Like, I love the favorite. But when I did buy it from Bagriculture, one thing that I did notice on here, this little section was almost looking like it was about to come off. So like where the D ring is. So this section looked like it was about to come out, and also on this section as well. Let me bring it close. That also looked like it was about to actually fall apart. So I was like, oh well, then it's the perfect time for me to change it. And as you guys can see, the chain that was put on here. So with this chain, it's not really as you can see, hold on. So it is removable on this side right here, but on this side it's not removable, as you guys can see right there. But I really don't care, because I love the favorite. Like, I really love the favorite. So I literally got this bag. So like, as you guys can see, and then I think what I'm going to think, I think is have locks, have I don't know, but I usually buy like stickers for my plate, because this is a brand new plate. I don't want it to scratch up, guys. I'm so silly. But anyway, I'm probably going to get a brand new sticker for this section right here, so that I can place it on there, and then so it doesn't like have scratches or anything on there. And because they sell it for like a lot of different bags. I do have it for my YSL. Like I showed you guys, I have it for my Prachette Matisse. What other bags did I get it for? I don't even know. I got it like I got a whole set of different bags, but I need to order the favorite one. So as you guys can see right here, so this is literally brand new right here, and right there on the back, as you guys can see. And then right here, brand new. And the magnet is so much more better, because as we know, one thing about the favorite, this is magnetic right here. So they did actually change the magnet on the inside as well, because I did pay for that, for it to be changed. So this is it. And then this is the new strap right here that actually comes with it. So I am so super, super, super excited to go in and put the strap. I'm like, oh, I'm done. So this is what the favorite look like, guys. I will actually insert a before picture so you guys can see what it looked like before I actually got it done. But this is the brand new, no, my brand new favorite, which I am so, 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 so happy about actually getting everything replaced. So it's literally a brand new bag now. So excited. And as you guys can see, my canvas is in great condition. There's no peeling on the side, nothing. As you guys can see, the corner wear, there's no corner wear at all. And that's why I was so excited when I got it from Bagriculture, because I literally got it way below retail, and just changing it just makes it a brand new bag. And then let me just show you guys the receipt of how much I paid. Mm. So as you guys can see right here, so this is how much I paid for the repair. It was $575 for the favorite. So I mean, I think it was good because I bought the bag below retail, and as you guys know, the favorite now, some depending on how the condition is. These, like for this right now, I can sell it for what? Because I'm seeing on the pre-love market, they're going for like, well, sometimes some of them are going for almost $2,000 for the favorite, guys. Yeah. So this is literally now like a $2,000 bag. So it works for me, and I got it way below retail. Even with the price that I paid for it to get repaired, literally, it's like even worth it. And then look, guys, even have like a brand new kind of like a day code right here that they put brand new on there. So like I stated, the only thing that didn't change was in here, but I really don't care about in there. But everything else looks so good, and Amy cleaned everything for me. So I am super excited. Just going to use a fabric cleaner just to clean the rest of it. And that's it. Anyway, guys, so that's the video for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.